Price of my Samsung and 2 gunny buy.
Opulent lifestyle.
Uptown, uptown life. Nowadays I just the uptown life. In a private or some touch down hype.
Bless up to my loyal viewers and subscribers them. So people, a lot of things to expect an Alkaline brand new album right now. So people, we come to talk about Intense, we come to talk about the album, we come to highlight a lot of things. So people, stay tuned to this channel. So people, before we kick it off, like the video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on a post notification, so whenever I have a new upload, you're the first one to get notified. And I want to take the time out and big up to the real people who always support this channel. I want to see every Vendetta fans in the comment section, and also every young fans in the comment section. You see, if you rep Intense, like the video. If you rep Highwater, like the video. If you rep Alkaline, like the video. I them 3 artists that will come to talk about today. You see what I say. So people, Alkaline album on name Top Price. You see, Alkaline announced the album, and a lot of things to expect on this album right now, people. Cause a lot of people are talk about Alkaline body of work, what Alkaline set to put out right now. We see a lot of people have for them assumption around this album. We see people that say the album it a go flop, but viewers and subscribers, we not come to tear down the album. We come to talk about the album right now, and the artists them or me feel like I go get feature on this album right now, viewers and subscribers. And people, me feel like Javi I go put in some work on that album. People, when I talk about artist named Javilan, we are talk about the producer, true ambassador. You see what I say? And people, me feel like Intense get feature on this album, cause people we know say Intense and Alkaline them link. Intense pick them side, and we see a leak footage of Alkaline, Intense and Highwater song forward out already, people. And the song they it bad. Not for the people them did want to hear the full song. Not for the people them want to see the song they release. But that get leaked. Viewers and subscribers wanna think for Alkaline feature a Intense on him album or a Highwater. People no don't know say Highwater rep Vendetta straight. Highwater publicly make you know say yo a Vendetta time thing there. We always see Highwater put up the sign, and we see Highwater link with Jigo them. I don't know say Jigo loyal to Alkaline viewers and subscribers. So people, we know what the linkage did it. So I want to see every Vendetta fans in the comment area. Tell me if you don't feel like them 2 artists here, Intense and Highwater, are going to get feature on this album. And people would want to see some features. As what I do, I review the other day and make you know say yo, would I want to see Alkaline a feature in Young Guns them on this album, people. Would I want to see that, because that would do great for them young artists, them more exposure for them young artists them. So people, them 2 artists I will see look up to Alkaline, them inspired by Alkaline. You see what I say? So people would want to see them a feature on the album, and people may just have some feelings say yo, Alkaline I go feature them 2 artists on the album. A lot of people we hear talk about it, viewers and subscribers. A lot of Vendetta fans I say yo, them would want to see a Highwater and a Alkaline and this album a feature out of one of them 2 artists, Highwater and Intense, we are talk about. And people, that would be a good look. Alkaline give the youth them some strength, and people that would be great, cause Highwater at right now, Intense at right now. The people them are take on to Highwater Intense music. Alkaline over the other side is a big artist. Alkaline do it in a dancehall, stamp himself in a dancehall. Alkaline make him name. You see what I say? And if Alkaline fi feature them artists upon him album, that would do great for a Intense and a Highwater same way. We don't know Alkaline will give them youth a strength, cause you see Alkaline now, pre-Alkaline people, him look out for the youth them. Him want to see every youth out there, people. And we don't want to see it right now. We don't want to see it. You see, if the vendetta people accept that, let me know in the comment section. But people are unity, we want in a music. And we want to see the big artists them help the artists them. That's what I say. And people, we know what the linkage did it. Because if the linkage never did it, we want to see Jigo a repost a intense music. We want to see Jigo a repost a high water music. So people, anybody now link with Alkaline, I don't know Jigo I go step out and diss them theme artists. Yeah, so I say Jigo make you know say yo Alkaline show him the respect. The Alkaline make him can be a breadwinner, so him always have to respect a Alkaline. Yeah, so I say. And people, Alkaline are doing thing right now. Alkaline are one of the artists. Him name are buzzing right now. From Alkaline announced them album viewers and subscribers. A lot of people are talk about the album. A lot of people want to know what Alkaline are go forward on the album right now. And people, as I may tell you, you can expect this on the album. Yeah, so I say, I feel like Alkaline are go push one of them young artists here on him album. I feel like couple international features are go there on the same way or one or two, because people Alkaline me could know say yo a 14 tracks I go there on him album, and people out of them 14 tracks there me feel like 3 of them a collaboration. That is just my speculation. That is just what me think around this album or Alkaline have a job. And people, as I'm telling you already, the album it a go do great from Alkaline. I think about 6 years now Alkaline release an album, or 5 years. Currently in the comment section. Yeah, so I say, but people want to see this right now. So people like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn post notification on, so when the new upload forward, you are the first one to get notified. If you've been to watch the channel, if you've been to view the video them, and you not like them, just consider like the video them. And if you watch the channel and you not subscribe and you like what we are doing over here, so why not subscribe? Subscribe to get the instant post notification them. You saw me I say, but people, me feel like I water and intense I got up on Alkaline brand new album what Alkaline set for release right now. So people, when just look out for High Water and intense on this album. I feel like them are gonna get feature on the album, because people we know them rep Vendetta. And the Vendetta people them give them the support. Yeah, so me I say we see the Vendetta people them respect them two young artists, and I say yo them are for them artists. You see people I say young data, we see people I say data player. People we see a lot of people are mix High Water and Alkaline came together. Not for the people I say yo it look like High Water sign. You saw me I say a lot of things the hear people are talk about, and we know the people would want to see this in a dance hall. So